Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on Honor Patch X8. So to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device, you have to start with opening your settings application, and now scroll down and click on sound. And here click on Do Not Disturb mode, and here you can simply turn it on or off, or you can set a schedule and it will turn on automatically, for example at night. And if you want to quickly access this menu, you can swipe from the bottom down and hold on this ring bell icon, and it will just quickly open your sound settings, and here you can turn on your Do Not Disturb mode just as before. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.